City lights glowing, heart softly beating. In the night so quiet, feel the temperature rising. Eyes lock, we're burning, bodies slow dancing. Whispered secrets flowing, love's fire igniting. Got a fire in my veins.
Check, check, check. All right, cool. I think we're working. I think that's just gonna have to do there. All right, man. Hopefully everyone's doing well. Yeah, let's see. What are we looking at this morning? I like this 5 minute busy, and I like it working up into here. Oh, excuse me. We'll see where our opening range gap opens up at, but as it sits, we wicked into the new week opening gap. Yeah, I want to see if we can stay above this. Working in these. And I would say that just because we stayed above consequent encroachment of this new week opening gap, we never got below it. Excuse me. Let's let it. I want to see if this holds true. Opening bell here in a couple minutes. I want to see if we can wick, stay above half, and go higher. Oh, excuse me. Excuse me. And look how everything is staying above consequent encroachment of that 5 minute wick. Or below it, I'm sorry. Yeah, I want to see if we can wick down into that. So we'll see opening bell if we can wick down into one of these. Oh, high, excuse me. And I would say that again because we stayed above consequent encroachment of this one, and we never got below it. So I would say start working up into here, but into these inefficiency first. Oh, excuse me. And I want to see where this is. Excuse me. I also want to see where our opening range gap is. When we've closed this, we got like 10 seconds. Low. High. Excuse me. Oh, wait, that's not consequent encroachment because they didn't measure. So we got an entry off the 61. So I want to see if we could Basically, I would like to see this close above it. I should have waited. I shouldn't have entered as soon as I did. So now we have to sit through a little bit of drawdown. Because I don't think we're coming down here. I think we're going to continue to go higher. That's part of the reason why I went long. Like I said, I should have waited for this to close. All right, so yeah, we're not we're not on the right side. Okay, so yeah, we're definitely not on the right side. So yeah, I'm gonna close that. And so we're gonna go short because I want to see, since this is a single candle over this, I want to see it stay. Excuse me, in the bottom half of this. I want to see it stay in the bottom half. So I mean, well, do we want to go liquidity down here or these up here? With this dude down here, it's running this high. I would say up there. So we're below consequent encroachment of the new week opening gap. See, that's already all closed. These down here, assuming that's a high. Yeah, see, I'm starting to lose it. Five-minute busy. I said, is it this low or is it these highs? That's the thing. Well, we already closed this and went below it, so I'm gonna be looking for something short. Again, I don't want to see a return back up to the bottom half of this. Ideally, yeah, there we go. We wicked into that one. I want to see it close below it. All right, man. So I want up here. We wicked into this. I'll go 4. Huh? What the fuck, yo? Excuse me. I can't. Oh, fuck. Shit's so frustrating. So I already hit my daily loss limit on the freaking little um, funded account already. Now I see that. And we move stop loss there. I don't want to see it go below. I want to see it start working back up into here. Man, I'm just impatient this morning. Like, just impatient. I should have added 2 more when we were there, but it's all right. Again, I was just impatient. It's all right, though. And all I want to see is it work up into here. Excuse me. That's what I would like to see. We're above consequent encroachment of this said wick right here. Okay, well, we're below consequent encroachment, so we're going to look for a short. It's down into here. A little 2 more. Ah, god damn it. Oh, now I see it. Yeah. Let's see if we get to halfway here. Now I see it, man. We'll buy two back there. Now I see it. See? Just utter impatient, man. Like literally just impatience. Crazy. All I had to do is be patient. Seeing that's where patience is important, man. Just always upset myself when I do that, but it's okay. It's all right. I want to see it close below. So ideally, I want to see it close over it and stay below. Start working down into here. So we got a single candle over this. So we don't want to see a return to the top half of this. I want to see this treated as a true inversion. And so we don't want to see it go up above that. Man, if I was just patient, like, come on, dude. Like, come on. You know how to do this. Or why are you just pressing buttons? Like, just be patient. Yeah, this is what impatience gives you. Hit your daily drawdown limit before you want it to. Again, I can't blame nobody but myself. And I wanted to see, we don't want to see it go to the top half of this. Like, I like how that wicked up into it. So yeah, this is a prime example where I did not let my patience work. Like I did not pressing the buttons way too many times that I should have. Trying to force something that wasn't there yet, and then when I do get it, I don't operate in it. So yeah, me. I guess I didn't blow the account, but we hit our daily drawdown limit already, which is freaking kind of frustrated with myself. But that's the name of the game. That is definitely the name of the game. Just want to see where those new week opening gaps were. can't believe that. I mean, I can't believe it. I'm the one that did it to myself. So, frack. And I seen all this. That's the crazy part. I seen this and I seen that, but I still want it up there. We closed the opening range gap. We're below consequent encroachment of the opening range gap. So there was no need to even be looking for longs. If we never take this low, then I would definitely say long. Pretty sure I earned everything in this account that I would have. Man. Again, that's all right, man. It's A-okay. No losses, just lessons. I'm gonna go short again, see if we can get into here. So we can get down into here. Excuse me. I should have waited. Why did I do that? Should have went up to my higher time frame. Then waited for an entry. So we got all this right here. We're below consequent encroachment of open range gap. See if we can get down here. In 1 minute. This is still open up. This is still open up here. This fair value gap, the top half. So this is still open. This is consequent encroachment. Let's see if I can see 11th through the 13th. Copy. Paste. Paste. Copy. Paste. Let's go to our higher time frame so I can see. Let's get rid of that. And see, in this, I should have waited until we retrace back up in here. This is a 5-minute Cibi. So ideally, I should have waited until we got some kind of retracement up above that. So the question is, do I move my stop loss to allow it, or do I leave it there stopped out to see? Because there's nothing else down here unless it wants to go for these. above consequent encroachment of that said wick. And I want to see how we operate there. I'm gonna wait for that to see if we can retrace. Because this is, I want to see this as inversion. So ideally, I would like to see that as inversion as well. We can get up there. So that's holding true as a SIBI. Let's see if we can stay in the bottom half. Bum 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 ba-dum. Shit, and there's always tomorrow. Always tomorrow. Let's see, I'm looking for a short. I want to see it reject off of that 5 minute, or at least come up and fill it and then reject. This is, I don't want to see it go back up there. So that was our initial move this morning. Premium to discount right here. Let's see where this, oh, 5 minute. Was short. Excuse me. And like I said, I put the stop loss up here to warrant a retracement up into here. So I like how we stay below this. Excuse me. And we got two new week opening gaps stacked on top of each other. Got the 6th and the 4th right there. Consequent encroachment is here. We have the 11th and the 13th, and consequent encroachment is right here. So my first target is going to be this right here. July, whatever, consequent encroachment. And I want to see if we can get this low. My mama used to always keep a little bit of draw. It's just in the window while she folding our clothes. A problem with the tree. Don't you have no shame? It's gonna be frustration. And this is a 15-minute, excuse me. Mm, 15-minute consequent encroachment. We didn't take this low. So with us not taking this low, staying above consequent encroachment of the 15-minute, I would say up here. And then I would say that as well, because this is being held as a true 5-minute busy buy side, sell side imbalance. Look, wicked, stayed above it, never got consequent encroachment of this wick or this 15-minute wick. So now I want to see, how do we operate around this 5-minute civvy? We close over it. If we close over it, I want to see the top half treated as inversion to go higher. If we stay below it, oh, excuse me, I want to see it act as inversion to go lower. Looks like we're going to get one single candle over it. want to see if we stay above this. Went long because 5-minute Sibi, single candle over it, stayed in the top half. Want to see this treated as breakaway. That means never return back to it. So ideally, I would like to see it stay above this to work up into here to take a new high. So I want to see this 5-minute close above that, but I don't, not sure if we're gonna get that. Let's see, this is treated as inversion, but I want to see it close above this. Then that means this is not inversion. Ideally, I would like to see it clean. We're not getting that. We wicked up into here. 5-minute Bissy, single candle over. This treated as inversion to go lower. Maybe go down to the 1 minute. So for that to be true, we want to see it stay in the top half of this, and we're not getting that. So I should have been short up here. See, and that's where it's like, nah, I don't think y'all coming down here. I don't think this low is intact. We wicked. See, we're wicking into this. We wicked into this. Never closed, but we wicked. Man, I lost sight. I lost sight. I lost sight. I lost sight. Oh, wow. Yeah, we are just all over the place this morning. Like, goodness. Like, all over the place. Yeah, I think we're just gonna go sideways and we're gonna go down here. I'm still favoring this down here. I just lost sight of it this morning. And we have this up here. This is still open. Six. That's where I want to see it go, just because I want to see it fill this. So we'll take the majority off here. Excuse me. Get rid of some of that stuff. It's way too confusing. I have a 5-minute cibby here. And buy side was delivered. I like this up here. Well, we'll see. Low, high, somewhere between a high and a low here. And then the top half of this is still open as well. So we waked up into it, but this is still open. Ah, gonna get two more. I know how to do this. Just impatient in my own freaking way. So what I want to see on this one, so since it was treated as an inversion here, I want to see you close over it, treat the top half an inversion and go higher. So ideally, I want to see it close over, top half, go higher, and if it stays below it, that means down here. Man, I was just in it too soon. Too soon. So I hit my daily drawdown limit for today. But there's always tomorrow. Always tomorrow. And I ain't, like I said, I ain't tripping. Literally just means I just need to be a little more patient. So that's closed right there. We're not getting that close. Like I said, I want to see it close over it for this to no longer be a or inversion to the downside. I want to see it invert to the upside. So ideally above consequent encroachment of that, this wick from here to there. So I want to see it get above there, above this right here. And then that's not, I use that as confirmation. It's like, okay, well, if we're struggling to get above that, it's more than likely we're down here. If we can get above it with ease, it's more than likely we're looking for something up here. Look how we're stopping at it. Like I said, I want to see start closing above consequent encroachment. And look at here, we're stopping. That's why I just closed it, because we're literally so that this is holding true as an inversion. So one green candle, one single over it, stayed in the bottom half. consequent encroachment of this wick right here. That's what this is right here. This dotted line. So I'm paying attention. Well, one, this is treated like a true inversion. Let's see, that's not going to be an inversion. So I want to see the, yep, let's treat it like a true SIBI. So the only inefficiency is up here. Excuse me. Where's my entry at the 61? So if we went from low to high, I entered at the 61. So I would like to see it exit at the 61. This is 50 right here. It's the 50. I came up with that exit because we went from low to high. I entered on the 61, so I want to see if we can get out at the 61. So 100% of this said move would be this. So it'd be these highs. So we'll see. I hit my daily drawdown limit due to the lack of patience. And then there was just a lot of panicking. There's a lot of panicking for no reason when in our reality we need to move with certainty, not with uncertainty. So I want to see it close above this said wick here and then work into these. Hoping the stop loss is good. I think we're good. Man, that's a lack of patience. And I said, that's okay because there's no such thing as a loss, just lessons. Just lessons. That's the thing. Well, where could we retrace to? I don't see anything unless we're going to run this, but again, we never got the consequent encroachment of this new week opening gap. I would like to see up here to make a new high, and maybe, these lows aren't in the cards right now. Yeah, we're just gonna sit through this. Like I said, I want to see that treated as an inversion to the upside. Should I add 2 more there? If we can come down one more time, I'll add 2 more. Not kidding. And I moved that stop loss because equilibrium is right here. Excuse me. So I want to see it close above this for this to stay true and then start working up into there. I don't like that. We're still so close. So both of these highs, I want to see them get above both of them. And the way this is sitting, yeah, I don't think that's in the cards today. Man, this is difficult. I will say that much. Like extremely difficult. So this, I want to see this act as a true inversion that's in price lower. So where are we at in this session? So we're below the 50. Is there any premium or discount arrays down here still open? Oh, damn it. So man, just not getting this right today. or above the consequent encouragement of this wick. Man, this is difficult. I can't even say it's easy. I can't say none of that. This is very difficult. So I would like to see BC or single candle over, stay in the bottom half and go lower. And we got this up here in a 15-minute. So my initial draw, I believe, was right. Yeah, we get stopped out on this one. We're done. Everything that I got today was warranted because today was um, an example of a lack of patience. Literally, that's literally all I had to do was wait. If I would have waited, I could have seen it a lot clearer, but I didn't wait. I was trying to force my hand upon the market instead of responding. Yeah. That being said, man, I want to see where this goes, and then we'll close it, and we'll be back for another one. I'm debating if I ever want to post this, but we got to be transparent. We got to be honest. So yeah, we posting it. You get to see me derail my own stuff or my own self because of the lack of patience. And if I'm going to be patient in anything, I have to be patient in these charts. I have to be patient in these charts. Another thing is I can't allow outside things to get in the way. So if my mental isn't there that day, shouldn't have traded. But again, no losses, just lessons. Looks like the stop loss is gonna get hit. Love and live life, people, and I will be back with another one tomorrow. So y'all be easy. Y'all be easy, man. Peace.